Gavani fresh.
Gavani fresh.
Gavani fresh.
Gavani Jubilee.
Gavani Jubilee.
Matiang'i ni president.
Matiang'i ni president. Manambei msekorera.
Matiang'i kiboko yao.
Matiang'i kiboko yao.
Sasa we have created another one. For aspirants forum. Wacha tukusanye manambas kama watu 300 communicate.
And the meeting is on the other side.
Oh, is that so? They're good.
I'm the woman in Nairobi County.
Okay, very good.
Naongoza wa mama na
Vijana. Kama toka kwa shop.
Hamjambo. In our meeting, after our meeting, we had the following resolutions. And these are resolutions after quite some lengthy deliberations, but resolutions that were arrived at unanimously. And you also note that this is our first NEC meeting since we had our NDC some few weeks ago. The first item on our agenda was to fill in some of the vacant NEC positions that have been occasioned by many reasons that we do not need to go through. And we needed to have a whip within the National Assembly, and the whip of our National Assembly now, following the resolution by NEC, is Honorable Samuel Arama. Our whip for the Senate, again following the resolution, is Senator James Romenin. We also have Bwana Kagwe acting as our ED as we continue working on other issues around the same place. So Kagwe is our ED going forward. We, as NEC, also have appointed Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i as our deputy party leader going forward. And alongside that, we have also resolved that Dr. Matiang'i represents us at the United Opposition. And on top of that, we also received formally his application to be the presidential candidate or Jubilee presidential candidate, and the NEC approved, resolved that he now carries the flag of Jubilee Party as our presidential candidate. And even as he goes to the United Opposition, he goes there in that capacity, and also representing our party leader, or deputizing our party leader, and actually being the face of our party going forward, given that our party leader is not always available. I think the other important thing that we need to mention here is that we have also resolved that we will be communicating officially to the conveners of the United Opposition of that decision that was arrived at by NAC, and we are committed to the United Opposition, the desire to produce a united candidate, and he will be now sitting to help us with those kind of negotiations. Ya mwisho ni kwamba tumekubaliana pia kama NEC that we now move out and revamp our party. Open branches, market and sell Matiang'i as our presidential candidate, just like the other parties are doing their own, so that when they finally come to sit together, he'll also have done his groundwork. More activities as we move forward will be communicated, but we commence our activities immediately. Na sitaki niongezee kuliko hayo, kwa sababu hayo ndio mambo ambayo tumeyakubaliana sisi wote kama NEC.